Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Eyes. This is a mining app, guys. You must have heard about it. So all you have to do is to click on the link I'll be dropping on this video description. Do you understand? Then you register and get the app and start mining. So guys, this project will be going live soon. So all you have to do is to every 24 hours you come to this place and actually see this mining hammer. And actually see it below. You just all you have to do is to be activating it. Do you understand? And then you'll be earning your point. Then you have to lock in some eyes for 1 year so that it will boost your mining power. Do you understand? So all you have to do is to, when you log in, when you are done creating your account, all you have to do is to claim your username. Do you understand? You can actually see it here. When you claim your username, you start earning. Do you see that? Claim your username, claim your nickname, set it and share it with your friends. Do you understand? Then this one, start earning. Your first check-in section, profile picture, upload your profile picture. Do you understand? Then follow us on Twitter. Do you understand? Then be part of our community and join and you join their Telegram channel. That's just it. Then you can invite your friends if you are capable of doing that. But if you can't invite your friends, that is, by the way, might just leave it like that. Do you understand? So here is it. I'm in level 5. You can actually see that I've actually been accumulating this, but I did not take it serious. That's why I haven't made a video about it. Do you understand? But now I've confirmed my instinct that it's actually legit and it will be going live soon. Do you understand? Let me show you their Twitter handle so that you see for yourself. So guys, this is their Twitter handle. They say ICE decentralized future. Do you understand? They say ICE is the newest digital currency you can mine using your phone for free. Download our app. Do you understand, guys? So this is it. You understand? They'll be going live soon. They made a tweet day before yesterday, I think. Let me try and see. And they will be launching under Ethereum mainnet. Do you understand? Ethereum network. So for you to see how legit it is, do you understand? People are actually jumping in. You can actually see views. You can see their views. It's fucking mad. Do you understand? So you can see it. They made a tweet. This one now, they said important KYC announcement for the ICE ecosystem as we approach a pivotal moment in our journey. KYC step 1 will commence next week. Do you understand? This very week that we entered now, emphasizing our commitment to a genuine user based through face verification. Do you understand? Then for KYC step 2, your understanding of the ICE project will be assessed. Do you understand? So I'll do a video about that one once it commences, about the verification. Do you understand? So here is it. So when you register, you join them on Twitter, then you read this. Do you understand? If you have a question, you can actually ask them. So guys, this project will be going live. Do you see that? Important announcement. We have always valued your feedback, and in our continuous effort to innovate, we are excited to announce a significant shift in our approach. We have decided to launch the ICE token on the Ethereum blockchain. Do you see that? During phase 1 of our project. Furthermore, we are listing ICE on this Uniswap decentralized exchange, enabling it to be traded. Even if this early phase, this strategic move is designed to expand our user base and provide liquidity to our early supporters. You understand, guys? So as we gear up for the mainnet launch in October 2024 and the beta testing of our mainnet app slated for Q2 next year, we believe this will foster greater opportunity engagement. So guys, this project will be going live on Uniswap now, and they will be launching by next year October. Do you understand? To be eligible for the ICE token release on the Ethereum network, participation must meet the following criteria: successfully complete the Face ID, successfully complete step 2 of the KYC details, of which I'm going to make a video about this very one. Do you understand? So guys, you need to jump on this. This project will be going live before the year ends. Do you understand? And to be launched it will be trading on Uniswap. Do you understand? Then by next year you'll be talking about. So the earlier you accumulate, the better for you. You need to start accumulating now. So guys, that's just it. Click on the link. I'll be dropping the link on this video description. please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending it. So do well to subscribe. You can scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're actually going to benefit from. So if you are seeing this video on TikTok, go to my TikTok profile. You will see a YouTube icon there. Click on it. It's going to redirect you to my YouTube channel, or you can actually see my YouTube name now, Crypto Hub TV there. Do you understand? When you go, you can see the video there, and you see the link. The link to register will be on this video description. So guys, make sure that you are accumulating. Don't fade don't fade anything I post on this page. Everything is fucking legit, guys. You can also make your own research. So guys, that's it. Let me take you back to the app again. So here is the app. I've been accumulating, like you can actually see I'm in level. Can you see my level? Like I'm in level 5. Like as in I've been accumulating this for throughout this year, I think. Now look at it, level 5. So guys, you need to start accumulating. You need to start accumulating. You see that this one is in level 3. The level 4 is actually locked. You can actually see level 5 here. Do you understand? So guys, global ranking 3007. Do you understand? 372. Do you understand? So guys, do well to start earning. All you have to do is to just click on this. All you have to do is to click on this. Do you understand? Every 24 hours, then you'll be accumulating. Then once you are done with the registration, you can also invite your friends. This is where to get your invite link. You can actually see it here. Invite friends. Do you understand? You click on it, you get your invite. You can share to WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter. You can actually copy it. Do you understand? So guys, make sure that you see this video to the end though. So when you are done with your account, you upload you add your nickname, then you upload your picture, then you start earning. Do you understand? So the next video I'm going to do is about the verification, face verification, and the KYC. Do you understand? It is actually going to commence this week that we are in now. So I'm also going to do another video now. Scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're also going to benefit from. So guys, that will be all for now. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.